Hey friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia. So friends, I did not know what to name this video at all. I can only place so much in the title section of it. But let me tell you what you can use this DIY for, okay? It can be used for so many different things. So consider this a part of our wedding series. I'm serious. Because you can use it for a floral arrangement. You can use it for a beautiful centerpiece where you can place your candle inside of. Makeup organizer. So you can place all of your makeup cosmetics inside of it. That would be beautiful as well. And then you can place it as a part of your home decor. That's what I'm going to be using it for. Like for the part in our home that we have for our guests to come in for like entertaining. They can go over there and they can just take out their own flatware. And I'm going to be using my disposable flatware. Guess what finally came in, everyone? You remember you guys, I was like so hurt about the silver disposable forks and spoons. Got it in. I'm so excited. So that's the flatware that I will be placing inside of there. So this is something that you can use for a diverse of things. So let me know down below, what would you be using it for? And remember to also check out the description box, because that's where you will find all the material that we're using today in today's tutorial. So you guys have a beautiful and blessed week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Blessings abundantly. Bye everyone.